National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a flood warning for Crawford County, extreme southern Franklin County, Iron County, southern Jefferson County, St. Francis County, St. Genevieve County, Washington County, until noon Monday at 6:15 p.m. Flooding of low-lying areas continue across the warned area due to the heavy rainfall that occurred over the past 24 hours. National Weather Service Doppler radar also indicates another line of thunderstorms, capable of producing up to an additional inch of rainfall headed towards southeast and east-central Missouri this evening. Some locations that will experience flooding include Anthony's Mill, Bismarck, Bonne Terre, Bourbon, Crystal City, Cuba, DeSoto, Deloche, Farmington, Festus, Fleetwood, Potosi, St. Genevieve, Steelville, Sullivan, Bellevue, Bixby, Bloomsdale, Cherryville, Kaufman, Cotaway, Iron Mountain, Irondale, Noblick, Leesburg, Mineral Point, Old Mines, Olympian Village, Park Hills, and Ridgewoods. Flooding low-lying areas along creeks, streams, and rivers will continue through Monday morning. In hilly terrain, there are hundreds of low water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to travel across flooded roads. Find alternate routes. It only takes a few inches of swiftly flowing water to carry vehicles away. Here is your National Weather Service.